So our flagship product, as we would probably say, is our DSCR loan. So we're one of, if not the largest DSCR lender in the country. We were one of the pioneers in this space in general. If you backtrack 20 years, there was not a nationwide private lender that was underwriting DSCR loans. Like they just didn't
Yeah,
exist.
definitely not.
And so, about 10 years ago is when our CEO and co-founder began the process of seeing, is there an appetite for this type of loan product in the secondary market? Because there were so many people, we really have targeted the average person that can really utilize our loan product is somebody who already has bought their first one or two rental properties. Now, we'll work with somebody who owns no rental properties. As long as they're a homeowner, they own their existing home, then we can begin them on their journey. But for most people, they come to us after they own one or two because now they're going to their bank and they're saying, hey, your DTI is maxed out. You need to find another option. Extremely high W 2 earners might can get all the way to 10, but then there's a 10 unit cap with a traditional product. So they've eventually got to find an alternative to financing either way. But it's typically about number three or four where people come to us. And what we realized is there is a huge appetite for a product that is based on the asset and not underwritten based on the person's individual income. And so for us, standing that product up was of paramount importance 10 years ago, and it's only gotten better since then. And the reason that I kind of walk through all of that in the history of it is because over that 10-year period, if you look back 10 years ago, there was a huge delta between the interest rate you would see from a traditional bank or a credit union on that investment property versus what you would see with us right now. And so that gap used to be as much as maybe even 1 to 1.5% would be the premium you would pay if you were coming to a national lender like us.